Embroidery tension is a topic we get asked a lot also. So on the Bernina 790, we are in the embroidery side of the screen, and we've already gone to where we've started to stitch out. So we have touched the needle and thread, and we are on the screen. Yes, it's going to want my hoop here, so let me just attach it. I've already stitched out this design, so I just want to show you what good tension looks like, and then where do we adjust it from here. So I'm going to take the hoop off, and let's take a look. Our design looks really good today on the front. No bobbin thread is coming up. That's usually the key to all of this. So when we come to the back side, you are kind of seeing that the slight color is just briefly coming to the back side. I do have a white bobbin thread in, so I just want to be able to see a little bit of the color from the top. But common thing that happens is we start to get a little of the white bobbin thread coming up to the top side of the fabric, which is an absolute no-no. You want to definitely stop the machine, get that fixed, and all you have to do is come to the screen and look right up here. The tension has already been reduced to 3.0, so touch that, and then you can just bring that down a little further. If you haven't had your machine serviced in a while, you'll probably find that adjusting your tension is going to be something that you need to do. So things get loosened up. So it's okay to turn that down so your threads can get balanced, so your pretties are on the top and they get pulled to the back side. But as things loosen up, well, then now this thread becomes a little stronger and then pulls up the bobbin thread. So if you need to drop that down, it's okay to go down fairly low as needed so that bobbin thread doesn't show. But if you're finding you're always having to lower your tension to get this to look good, it's time to have your machine serviced. And again, I hope you've been oiling it on a regular basis anyway, but just know tension is usually just needs to be reduced if you see any bobbin thread.